Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Yoast SEO and WordPress for on-page optimization, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand menu, click on Plugins. Next, select Add New. In the search bar, type Yoast SEO. Once you find the Yoast SEO plugin, click on Install Now. Once activated, you will see a new menu item called SEO in the dashboard. Click on SEO to open the Yoast SEO settings. You may be prompted to run the configuration wizard. Click on SEO again and select General. In the General settings, click on the Configuration Wizard tab. Follow the steps in the Configuration Wizard to set up your website's SEO preferences. Complete all the sections, ensuring you provide accurate information about your website. Once you've finished the wizard, navigate to SEO and then Search Appearance. In the Search Appearance settings, you can customize how your content appears in search results. Adjust the settings based on your content types, such as posts, pages, and media. Next, go to SEO and select Social. Link your website to your social. Now, head to SEO and click on Tools. Here, you can access features like the Redirect Manager and Bulk Editor. For on-page optimization, edit a post or page where you'd like to use Yoast SEO. Scroll down to the Yoast SEO meta box. Enter your focus keyword in the designated field. Review the analysis provided by Yoast, which gives suggestions on how to improve your content. Make necessary adjustments based on the feedback, including keyword placement and readability. Once you're satisfied, click Update or Publish to save your changes. You can repeat this process for each post and page on your website. Finally, regularly monitor your SEO performance using Google Analytics or other SEO. Continue optimizing your content based on the insights you gather. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.